Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm. Very few of you are familiar with the rat hole defect, and in this video we will learn what is the rat hole, what is the point of occurrence of the rat hole, what is the impact of rat hole on the other process parameters, and what are the reasons of rat hole and how we can prevent the rat hole. Hello everyone, I am Sajjad and you are watching Farm and Farm. If you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button. Every one of you is familiar with this diagram and it is the compression machine hopper. We will learn the rat hole through this diagram. So first of all, what is the definition of rat hole or what is the rat hole defect? Rat hole defect is also known as rat holing, and rat hole is the tablet compression defect where powders or granules in the compression machine hopper binds to the walls of the hopper and it hinders the free flow of the powders or granules in the compression machine hopper. As a result, powders from the side of the hopper is not able to move, but from the middle of the hopper, powders or granules can easily flow, and this result in the formation of a hole. As you can see in the diagram, this hole resemble with the hole of rat, and that is why it is known as a rat hole defect or rat holing defect. For easy understanding, when we fill the powders or granules in the compression machine hopper, the powder or granules bind to the side walls of the hopper and they are not able to move down to feed the dies of the compression machine, but powders or granules from the middle of hopper can easily flow and they form a rat hole. That is why we call it as a rat hole defect. What is the point of occurrence of the rat hole defect? Rat hole defect occurs in the hoppers of the compression machines. The next one is that what is the impact of rat holing on the other process parameters of the compression? Rat hole has direct impact on the flow of powder and it has indirect impact on the tablet weight and tablet hardness. Direct impact on the flow is that, as we have discussed previously, it is the defect where our flow of powder is hinders and powders or granules are not able to flow freely. That is why it has direct impact on the powders or granules flow, and it has indirect impact on the tablet weight or tablet hardness. As we are familiar that due to the flow issues, the filling of the die is not uniform, due to which our weight variation occur, and if our less weight of the powders or granules is filled in the dies, the required tablet hardness will also not be achieved. That is why it has indirect impact on the tablet weight and tablet hardness. Now we will see what are the common reasons of the rat hole defect. One of the most important and most commonly observed reason of rat holing is the more moisture content. Mean if our product has more moisture content, our powder will not be able to move freely and rat holing defect will occur. Next one is the more concentration of the fine. If our final blend product has more ratio of the fine and less ratio of the granules, rat holing defect will be observed. Next is the less concentration of the glidant. If our formulation contain less concentration of the glidant, rat holing defect will occur. And next reason is the low concentration of the lubricants. If amount of lubricant in formulation is low, the rat holing defect will also occur. Next one is the improper adjustment of the hopper base. We are familiar that the hopper base height adjustment has direct impact on the flow of powders or granules from the hopper. If we have improperly adjust the base of the hopper, it will result in the rat holing defect. Next one is the use of the conventional feeding system. Mean if we are using the conventional hoppers for the feeding of granules or powders, it will result in the rat holing. How we can prevent the rat holing? Try to dry the granules properly and reduce the moisture content in the final product. Increase the granules ratio and reduce the fine concentration. Increase the concentration of lubricants and glidants. Properly adjust the height of hopper base and use the advanced type of the feeding system where we can use the vibratory hoppers. Vibrations prevent the formation of rat hole, or we can also use the rotating rod. Mean a rod is installed inside the hopper and it rotates inside the hopper and prevent the formation of rat holing. It was all about the rat holing defect. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. If you like the video, share it to others and also visit my website farmandfarm.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.